Hi, good morning, guys. I'm Mansur Kumar, and you are watching Ignite India Online College. In this time, I am going to teach you some basic concepts of C programming. So here, before going to start C programming, I will teach you some basic concepts of computer system. So, at first, what is computer? So, computer is an electronic device in which data is accepted through input devices and processes the data, display the output through output devices. Here, which means that a computer is a machine that accepts data as input, processes that data using programs, and outputs the processed data as information. Many computers can store and retrieve information. Hard drives. Computers can be connected together to form networks, allowing connected computers to communicate with each other. So here, combinations of computer. Computer having two types of combination, which one is hardware and the second one is software. So at first, I am going to teach you about hardware. So hardware. Computer hardware is a collection of physical parts of computer system. This includes the computer case, monitor, keyboard and mouse. It also includes all the parts inside the computer case such as the hard disk drive, motherboard, video card and many other. Or simple way, computer hardware is what you can physically touch. So second one is software. So you already know about that. The software is a set of instructions, data or programs used to operate computer and execute a specific task, in which include office suites, database programs, web browsers, word processors, software development tools, image editors, and communication platforms. So here the software having two types. First one is system software. System software, it provides services to the system. For example, operating system, linkers, compilers, etc. So second one is application software. It provides services to the human. For example, ATM, net banking, reservation system, etc. Some main components of computers. There are the following main components of the computer. First one is ALU, which means that arithmetic logic unit. Second one is CU, control unit. Third one is MU, memory unit. And fourth one is IOU, input and output unit. Here I am going to explain one by one. At first, ALU. It provides both of them. One is arithmetic operation. Second one is arithmetic logic unit, where arithmetic operation performs all arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, and multiplication, division, whereas arithmetic logic unit performs logical operations like logical and or nor, etc. Control unit. It controls all the part of the computer. Its majority concentrates on data transfer from input unit to memory unit and memory unit to output unit. So, memory unit. Computer memory unit can be divided into two components. First one is computer main memory, is also known as primary memory. So, first one is RAM and second one is ROM. They both are the part of memory unit. So, RAM. RAM, which means that random access memory. It always contains frequently used instruction. Its data can be changed from time to time. It can be accessed multiple number of times after turning on the computer. ROM, read-only memory. It always has the preloaded software that can be used to wake up the computer. The data available in ROM should be fixed and it can never be changed. It can be accessed only once that is during the starting of act in a computer. So secondary memory, it is permanent storage area that can hold huge volume of data. For example, hard disk, pen drive, CDs, DVDs, etc. Output unit. The output of the computer has several formats. It may be available if data is available. The data is generated to speakers if the data is variable. The data is generated through monitor. System software. It provides services to the system. For example, operating system linkers, compilers, etc. Application software. It provides services to the human. For example, ATM, net bank, reservation system, etc. Thank you. Thank you for watching Infinite India Online College. So I am requesting you to please like, share and comment on this video. Thank you.